Halo type. Juno type. Lightolier type. Surface wiring hole. Concealed wiring hole. Customizable NEMA 5-15P power cord with waterproof switch. Pre-crimped spade terminals for hassle-free, efficient wiring. Type I connector. Type L connector. Type T connector. Type X connector. Adjustable connector. L, T, X, and adjustable connectors are all equipped with concealed wiring holes. L, T, X, and adjustable connectors come pre-wired. No manual wiring required. When splicing tracks, double-check the direction, align the ports right. Don't force the join, or you'll damage the tracks. Customization process for circular, oval and round track strip systems.